In this video, I want to show you how to replace and how to install the ink cartridges in your Epson Workforce WF-2930. So the first step, okay, is to simply open the top panel. You see there is a gap on the side, at least on each side, there is a gap. Stick your finger there and you'll need to lift this top panel. There'll be a blue prop right over here maintaining it in place. Now your ink cartridges will be right over here. In this printer, they are already installed. So if you simply want to replace them, there is a latch right on the top over here. You need to press to disengage the ink cartridge. Now that it is unlocked, you can simply lift the whole thing this way. So it's very easy to change them. Press on the latch to unlock, and then simply pull it out. It's very important when reinstalling your ink cartridges to look over here. The black one goes first, then yellow, magenta, and cyan. Do not mix them up. And to install them, well, take your ink cartridge. On the top over here, you're always going to have the color. You see, this one is black. And to know in which direction to put it, well, you see, there's also a chip in the front. The chip goes always towards the sticker where the color is marked. So hold your cartridge this way. You simply need to glide it in its appropriate slot. Okay, so for the black one, I glide it here. And on the ink cartridge itself, it will say push. Well, you simply need to push there to lock it in place. You're going to hear a click, and this is how you know that it will stay there. Now I'll put back the yellow one. So again, I'm holding the ink cartridge this way with the chip facing away from me. I'm gliding it in its slot, and then I will push where it says push to lock it. At the end, to lower this front panel down, you simply need to push up, and then it will unlock itself. If it doesn't go completely down like it did here, you simply need to push up again and let it go, and this way it will be all done. So this is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If you want to get ink cartridges for this printer, I'll put links in Amazon to get them for cheaper. Check them out, leave us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.